has been raining for about 4 hours out here. And what you're going to see here in a second is the result of it. Campground's flooded. I would have been right over, not that one, but I would have been in the one next to it, right behind that tree. That's a little deeper than what I like. There's drainage that goes off into a canal, so all this will, most of this should dissipate by tomorrow. But yeah, that's crazy. We're a good solid 2.5 to 3 feet away from it, so we're fine. But yeah, that's crazy. We've endured hail and a whole bunch of other stuff. I just need that to go away so I can get out of there tomorrow. But I mean, the road's not that. It's maybe under 3 inches of water. But here it is. Yeah, we would have actually had to pick up and move, because I would not have trusted it to drain out. I would not have. He's got a drain here and a drain here. The road on the way out on this way, which I can't really go anyway because of trees and other stuff, it's underwater. So yeah, yay, we're in the proper spot. The guy in the distance, man, he's crazy. He left his awning out almost the entire time of the storm, which is a bad policy. Eventually he had to go out and get a tote that he had left out there. But there you have it. Campground's flooded. Yeah, I would have had to leave. I would have been not that one, because he said he didn't have power there. But I would have been in that one. That would have been all bad. Alright, there's my neighbor. He's still high and dry, which is great, and I think we're fairly done with rain. So that's a good thing. Let's see if I get brave and go walk through the... Oh man, I don't want to get rained on. Rats. Might try to walk the road on the way back just to see how deep it is. You know, I had a friend of mine, his name was Mark Bouchard, and he died. He's got to be going on 10 years now. And he always thought if you got rained on, that you would get a cold, like one had to do with the other. And I swear to you, he would talk himself into getting a cold. That's the road on the way out. So he's only under about 6 inches of water, maybe. And let me tell you, when I came in here, I considered this. And had I thought about a rain event like this had been a problem, I would have went ahead and connected to the truck just for posterity. Okay, so I'm going to walk the road on the way in and see how she looks. Oh yeah, they're golden. It's ankle deep. This is the way I gotta go out. I can still go out this way. No problem. Most of this should drain off by tomorrow, I hope. Otherwise, I'm still coming out this way. Yeah, the sun's coming out. Yep, we're golden. I wonder if this overwhelms his sewage system. All right, well, there. that you can see from the air from my Mavic video. The outflow is here into the Illinois River. So you've got this little land bridge. Now this is, we'll call this part B of the campground, and my area we'll call C. So this part of the campground flooded. There were tent campers here this morning. And I'm going to go ahead and, I don't know if I should be slogging through here or not. Let's say you get electrocuted. Let's don't. So let me walk over here. But yeah, that part of the campground's flooded. He's got some kind of creek, he says, that goes across the front. The problem I got is it's not good for any of your running gear to be going through this. So, oh shit. The ground is saturated. That's interesting. So this may be the little creek he's talking about. I'm not sure. Let's go up. Oh man, that's crazy. Yeah, you know what? Discretion being the better part of valor. Yeah, that area that I just walked through that was mushy, this is basically an earthen levee. And that levee is saturated from that little pond back there. It interested me when I walked around here about how that kind of stuff would work. So, a big old squirrel. So you come up through here, that's where your turn is. So, yeah, man. He is completely flooded. Yeah, I can't, with my rig, I can't do any dumb shit like drive through deep water or anything like that. I will stay high and dry until this stuff subsides. So I see them up front working. I'm wondering where their bigger concern is. Yeah, they're having to move shit as it is right now. That's the road bed. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk my equipment. I'm sitting pretty right where I'm at. I'll let them do their job. Scatter.